Sanitary flighted incline for various shapes and sizes by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently built a stainless steel sanitary flighted incline conveyor to elevate inconsistently sized cuts of raw food product on a homogeneous urethane belt. Also known as a Z-shaped incline, these conveyors are used when unpackaged, loose, or bulk product needs to be elevated in a small footprint or cleanability is a concern. These conveyors replace traditional bucket elevators and offer improved sanitation, lowered maintenance, and added flexibility. Urethane Volta belting has 3-inch tall flights on 6.25-inch centers and 4-inch tall corrugated sidewalls to consistently control product through both the 65 degrees nose up and 65-degree nose over. A take-up is located on each end of the system, allowing the belt to move in a seamless, continual motion, as shown here. V-guide hold-down rollers can be moved into or out of position for cleaning or maintenance. Next, we show the demo product in an assortment of sizes and shapes, showing how the flighted incline is consistent no matter how the raw product varies in size. All of our elevators and lowering devices are application-driven designs, and our experience across markets means you will observe a seamless construction, installation, and startup. Typical applications include scale or grinder infeeds and level-to-level transport. See even more incline videos by visiting our website at www.multi-conveyor.com. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. Let's get started on your next project. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best conveyed better.